On today's menu is a creamy, buttery, garlicky mushroom recipe that is incredibly delicious. Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Boombi. We will start by sauteing the mushrooms. Pan on medium-high heat, little bit of oil and then butter. I like the combination of butter and oil, but you can use only oil. The mushrooms jump into the pan. Stir them on high heat till all the moisture from the mushrooms dries up and the mushrooms start getting browned up. My mushrooms have now become nicely browned and look how gorgeous they are looking. Okay, once you see this color, add salt. If you add salt in the beginning, the mushrooms will release a lot of water and they will steam and you won't get this gorgeous color. So always add salt after they brown up. Now take them out into a bowl. Add a little more oil. Once the oil heats up, add onions. Sprinkle of salt and stir the onions on medium-low heat for a few minutes till they get golden brown color along the edges. Next comes a good amount of chopped garlic and green chilies. Green chilies are totally optional, but I like adding them as they bring in a nice flavor to the dish. Stir everything on medium heat till the garlic gets well fried. Next in line are the bell peppers. Though I am using green and red bell peppers, you can use only one color. Again a sprinkle of salt and freshly crushed black pepper. Stir the bell peppers on high heat till they get well fried. Okay, my bell peppers have been well fried. Now add the fried mushrooms. Next add just a splash of vinegar. Vinegar gives a nice flavor to the dish. You can even use lemon juice if you do not want to use vinegar. Okay, veggies are done, so time for them to go backstage now. Now I will be making that yummy sauce. Pot on medium heat, little bit of oil and then again butter and more butter. It's just a tablespoon, guys, please don't worry. Once the butter melts, add flour and stir on medium-low heat for a few minutes. You want to cook that flour or else it will taste chalky and grainy and horrible. Soon you will be observing the color changing from a creamish yellow to a light brownish color. At this point, heat as low as possible and add just a splash of cold milk. Using a whisk, immediately mix everything very well so that no lumps are formed. And guys, add the milk a little at a time. In this way you will be getting the creamiest sauce ever. And remember guys, I used cold milk. That's my secret for getting a creamy, smooth and silky white sauce. Once you are done mixing all the milk, keep on medium-low heat till the sauce thickens, stirring it from time to time, making sure nothing sticks to the bottom of the pot. Next I will be adding little bit of paprika. You can even use red chili powder. And a pinch of ground nutmeg, that is jaifal. Then salt and a generous amount of freshly ground black pepper. And finally some dried Italian seasoning, also known as dried mixed herbs in some places. Okay, the sauce has relatively thickened up, so time for the fried veggies to come on the scene. I even like adding red chili flakes, but it is totally optional. Give a good mix. Now, I feel the sauce has thickened up too much, so what do you do if this happens to you? Add just a splash of milk to thin it out to your desired consistency. So remember to save some milk in case you need it later, and if you have forgotten to save some, just add a splash of water. today for a change I'm using parsley instead of my beloved coriander leaves. And look at that gorgeousness. That sauce is so delicious that you won't even imagine unless you make it. You can serve this with pasta or spaghetti or noodles or even a toasted bread. Please hit that like button and help this video reach more people. And I will see you in the next episode. Bye bye.